This is a reminder, if you purchase an HP printer, they do come with instant ink cartridges. So if you don't purchase instant ink subscription, the cartridges that come in the box will last 6 months, and you will have to replace the cartridges. We rescued a Netgear router that wasn't working after a failed firmware update. So if you need assistance with that, we can help you get that router working again. This PlayStation 5 was crashing during multiplayer games. The power supply, fan, and radiator had some dust buildup. A competitor couldn't find anything wrong, and they didn't even open the console to look. We can respread the liquid metal cooling paste if dry spots or oxidation has developed. That can cause problems also. Contact us if you're having similar problems on your PlayStation 5.